out your approximate location through your IP address? Meta has introduced a new option that allows you to hide your IP address and increase your privacy during calls. In this video, I will show you how to enable IP address protection in Messenger calls without any additional apps and without complications. The first thing you need to do is open the Messenger app. Once you are in it, in the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them. This will open the options menu. In the menu, tap on Settings. When you are in Settings, find the Privacy and Safety section and tap on it. Inside that section, you will see many options. Scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the option Protect IP Address in calls under the Advanced section. Tap on it. Now, tap the toggle switch to enable it. After you turn on this option, your calls will be routed through Meta servers, which hides your IP address from the other person. Keep in mind that this may slightly affect call quality, but you will gain more privacy and security during your conversations. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be informed about new tutorials I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.